What's up, everybody? Happy Tech Tip Tuesday to you. Today we're gonna go over another potential starting issue on a reach forklift telehandler. Great all shooter for you old school guys. If your machine has leveling jacks, outriggers, whichever you call them, and there's outrigger switches that put them down, electronic ones, sometimes those switches can get stuck and hung up. And if they get stuck and hung up, they send a signal to the computer, mainframe, whatever you want to call it, GPU system that I don't know about in depth. Will tell the machine not to start because they're sending a signal to something that's an active open source or code there. So I'm going to show you quickly what to check. So right here, you'll see on the side here next to the seat in this unit, there's these leveling jack outriggers. So they'll you hit this button down or up. I'll bring them up. This will actually put them down. And these are the outriggers right there. Okay. So once in a blue moon, these things might look like they're here to toggle. I don't know if you can hear it in the sound or not, but they toggle. If they get hung up a little bit or stuck just a little bit like that, maybe, then when you go to start the machine, it won't fire. So there's something to keep in mind. It's a little kind of a secret little trick I feel like in the industry that most people don't know about. So check those leveling switches if you have those on your unit. Hope this week's Tech Tip Tuesday brightened your day and made a difference. I thought it was pretty cool actually. Those little outrigger switches can cause a lack of start. I only noticed from experience with some customer calls, and I was able to resolve it and show up on the job site and show the customer. It was so cool. So I want to pass that along to everybody. Check those outrigger switches also for potential starting issues on your reach forklift telehandlers if they have them. So thank you so much. We appreciate you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. If there's anything I can do to help you and your team out, please reach out to me directly, and love to take care of you guys. Thank you so much.